let's debate about the 70-hour work week. A lot of you don't agree with that statement of Sir Narayana Murthy that we should work for 70 hours, and a lot of people actually understand the context in which those things are said, and they're able to relate to the work productivity and the other things which he mentioned. But let's break it down. Why a lot of people don't agree with that statement of 70 hours of work in a week? Reason number one is because we already feel we are underpaid and overworked. We already feel we are exploited. We already feel companies make money for themselves and they pay a very little share to us. I think a lot of us have that background in our mind when we emote ourselves, and there's nothing wrong with that. The only fact that we need to understand is that companies are here to make money. They will continue to do what they're doing. And if you feel you are underpaid, if you feel you're overworked, you need to do something about it. There is no HR going to come and help you. There is no manager going to come and help you. You need to help yourself. And the best thing to do in this particular case is to reskill and upskill and learn that thing which is in demand, and then find out if this company is not paying me enough, is there another company which can pay me better? And it is not about one service company against another. It is about the revenue model, the model in which these companies make money. And that's why if you work at the right place, if you work in the right company, same skill set, same talent will probably give you a better pay and a better working environment as well. So that's the first thing. Nothing will change if you crib. Things will only change if you change. Okay, so that's the first point. Now, second point is about work productivity. He went on saying Indians need to work hard. There has to be productivity improvement and stuff like that. So here is a point of view. Number of hours that you clock actually matter. But what matters even more is what kind of output do you derive in those hours. Today, what is happening is we are spending a lot of time doing unproductive things. For example, we are getting stuck in traffic jams, right? For 2 hours, 3 hours, we are stuck in traffic jams. We are attending long meetings in which we are probably not doing anything, but there are 100 people on the call listening to something which does not make sense to them. So I think corporates need to understand that productivity can improve if a lot of these things can change. And I've just given 2 examples. And as individuals, we can do a little bit from our side as well. For example, if you're working on one side of the town, and if you're staying on the other side of the town, and if it takes 2 hours for you to commute, it is logical that you move your house and stay near your workplace. Now you'll say, oh, I have bought a house here, I can't go and rent a flat. Please check around you. A lot of people have done that. A lot of people have moved from one location to another because they understand that I have to work in this company for 2 years or 3 years, and there's no point in shuttling every day 5 hours or 4 hours, right? So those are some of the smart moves which you can make. But the most important aspect of this entire debate is, which is point number 3, are you really doing something which connects with you? Are you really doing something which comes to you naturally? If you're doing that, then the chances that you will become a lot more productive are very, very high, because you like the work you do. So if you're a very good coder, are you doing coding? If you are a very good analyst, are you into an analyst role? If you're very good at speaking, if communication skill is your strength, are you in a role where these skills are getting utilized? So that's important. If you get into a wrong job which pays you a lot, you will be under a lot of stress because you will not be able to bring the best out of you to get the job done. Hence, it is absolutely important that we get into a job which gets the best out of us. If you have not found that thing till now, please be on the search. One day you will definitely find that best job for yourself. And lastly, you need to be disciplined and you need to distribute your time well. Life is not all about work, work, work. Even if you're working 60 hours or 70 hours a day, you need to definitely find time out to have fun. Time out to spend with friends and families. 3F, friends, family, and fun. You definitely need to do that because these factors in a way contribute to your productivity at work as well. And this is all about making time for each aspect of your life. It is not just about 70 hours or 60 hours or 80 hours. It is about dedicating the right amount of time for the right things. It can be a physical activity. It can be a hobby. It can be your own business. So nobody's saying work 70 hours for the company. You can work 40 hours for the company, 30 hours for your own business. business. In my previous short video, a lot of people have given this suggestion, which is a great suggestion. Alright, so I hope you connect with all these points. Let me know what you think about it in comments. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and please share this video in your network so that it helps other people as well. With that, I take your leave. See you in another video soon. Take care and bye for now.